Opening shot close-up of the sleek, matte gray Ninja DZ201 Foodi DualZone on a kitchen counter, steam rising from 2 baskets. Upbeat music fades under the host's voice. Host enthusiastic, conversational, hey food lovers. Imagine tossing a whole rotisserie chicken in one basket while a tray of crispy sweet potato fries cooks in the other, both finishing at the exact same moment. No juggling, no guesswork. That's the magic of Ninja's newest powerhouse, the DZ201 Foodi 8-Quart 6-in-1 DualZone Air Fryer. Today we're diving deep into why this isn't just another air fryer, but a true kitchen game-changer. Stick around, because by the end you'll know exactly how this gadget can shave minutes off family meals, boost flavor, and even make snack time healthier, all without the hassle of multiple appliances. Cut to host standing beside the unit, baskets open, showing the 2 separate compartments. Host first up, let's talk about the brain of the beast: smart finish and match cook. Ninja's DualZone technology gives you 2 independent 4-quart zones, each with its own cyclonic fan and rapid heater. What does that mean for you? 2 completely different foods can be cooked at 2 different temperatures, yet the smart finish button syncs their timers so they finish together. Picture this: you're air frying a batch of chicken wings at 400 F, while a tray of roasted Brussels sprouts needs a gentler 350 F. Set each zone, hit smart finish, and boom, both arrive at the table hot, perfectly done, and ready to serve. No more who's done first drama. Host leaning in now. If you love consistency, the match cook button is a lifesaver. You've just nailed the perfect settings for a family-sized pizza in zone A 380 F for 12 minutes. Crisp crust, melty cheese. Want the exact same result for a second pizza in zone B? Hit match cook, and the second basket inherits every parameter instantly. It's like cloning your favorite recipe on the fly, and you still have the full 8-quart capacity to work with. Graphic overlay: smart finish versus match cook, when to use each. Host speaking of capacity, the XL 8-quart bowl is where the DualZone truly shines. Most single basket air fryers max out at 5 quarts, which forces you to cook in batches, especially when feeding a family of 4 or more. With 8 quarts split into 2 4-quart zones, you can fit a whole 3-pound turkey breast on one side and a medley of root vegetables on the other, or load up to 4 pounds of fries without crowding. The result? Faster meals, less cleanup, and the ability to prep complete dinner plates in one go. Cut to a split screen of a single basket fryer struggling with a half-filled basket versus DualZone handling 2 full trays. Host, let's break down the 6-in-1 functionality that turns this appliance into a multi-tool rather than just an air fryer. We have air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Want that golden brown finish on a steak without a grill? Air broil it at 450 F for a quick sear. Need to dry out homemade beef jerky or fruit leather? The Dehydrate program runs low heat for up to 12 hours, perfect for snack prep or preserving herbs. Baking a batch of muffins? The bake setting gives you even heat distribution, something most air fryers can't promise. And when leftovers sit in the fridge, the reheat function restores crispiness that a microwave just can't achieve. In short, you're replacing at least 3 separate appliances with one sleek unit. Host, holding a basket cleaning is where many air fryers stumble, but Ninja's dishwasher-safe crisper plates and easy-release baskets make post-cook cleanup a breeze. The non-stick coating resists stubborn oil splatter, and the removable crisper plates slide out for a quick rinse or a dishwasher cycle. Compare that to a traditional deep fryer where you're scrubbing oil-soaked metal parts for hours. Here, you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying the food. Cut to host placing baskets into the dishwasher, then closing it with a satisfied smile. Host real-world use case time. I tested the DualZone on a busy weekday dinner: a sheet pan of honey-glazed salmon in zone A at 375 F, and a batch of garlic parmesan cauliflower bites in zone B at 400 F. With smart finish, both finished in exactly 18 minutes. Salmon flaky, cauliflower perfectly crisp. No need to rotate pans or keep an eye on 2 separate timers. In another test, I dehydrated a batch of kale chips while the second zone roasted a whole chicken. By the time the chicken hit a safe 165 F, the kale chips were ready for a crunchy snack. That's efficiency you can't get from a single basket air fryer or a conventional oven that would require multiple racks and constant monitoring. Host addressing camera directly: so, How does the DualZone stack up against typical alternatives? A regular 5-quart air fryer can handle one dish at a time, often forcing you to cook in stages. Think double the cooking time and double the energy use. A countertop convection oven gives you more space, but it's bulkier, slower to preheat, and lacks the rapid air circulation that gives air fryers their signature crisp. The Ninja DZ201 merges the speed of an air fryer with the versatility of a convection oven, all while fitting neatly on a standard countertop. Post-closing, upbeat if you're tired of juggling pots, pans, and multiple gadgets. The Ninja Foodi DualZone 8-Quart 6-in-1 air fryer is the all-in-one solution that actually delivers on its promises. From family-sized meals to snack-time experiments, it saves you time, cuts down on cleanup, and lets you cook smarter, not harder. Ready to upgrade your kitchen and impress your dinner guests? Click the link below to grab yours today, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more deep dive reviews, recipe ideas, and cooking hacks. Trust me, your taste buds and your schedule will thank you. See you in the next